So I found this little velodrome the other day riding around, and I rode around it this morning, and I was like, all right, I want to do something dumb here. I want to ride this like 100 miles or something crazy. But it needs some cleaned up, so we're gonna weed it. We're gonna sweep it up, hopefully make it pretty nice. We'll see. Well, you just have that bit there, right here, 2 lines there. I'm not gonna do the center, but sweaty, and probably worth it. It'll be fun.
Last night at the show we saw him going out of his tree. He's fat and he don't run too fast, but he's faster than me.
Well, that really don't look too bad, I don't think. Not at all. I'm satisfied. I'll ride this. As you can see, I have stripped down this bicycle. Not even water bottle cages, just all sitting there on the bench with you. And I'm just gonna ride laps on this lighter bike, going around, going real fast, real left, and see how far I can go. Should be fun, huh? Probably. We'll find out. There goes. That's the official start. Great.
When the wind set down in funnel form and pulled you in, I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in. When the ghostly dust of violence chases everything, when the gas runs out, just wreck it and you insure the thing. I don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in. Don't need to walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in. now that you made the move. It has gone and gone.
Alright, we've done 11 miles and we've averaged 14 miles an hour, and don't particularly feel thirsty, but I know that I am starting to get a little sweaty and I should drink some water, because I'll just feel better later if I just do it now. There, hydrated.
Walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around in circles, walk around there.
For some reason I didn't actually bring the pipe mount for the GoPro, so I just gotta carry you for a second if I want you to see a lap, and I do. So you're just gonna have to deal with the unsteadiness of it. Hopefully the GoPro video software will make it a little bit better. Maybe if I hold it right here, it'll be ever so slightly better. Yeah, I can hold that pretty steady. Hang on. Let's rotate it in my palm right. And pull it back up slightly. Alright. Here we go. Cruising about 14 miles an hour, just doing laps. We just keep taking this nice line. That's about the gist of it. Let's see. So yeah, we're only 12.6 miles in. We got a ways to go yet, and we just crossed an hour of time out here, hour and 1 minute. Yeah, somehow, oh, I guess because we stopped, chugged that water, I was gonna say, yeah, somehow my average speed is 13.8, almost a whole mile an hour faster. Interesting. All right. I'm gonna sit you guys back down. It's enough of looking at me. We are 20 miles in. I stopped for some water, take a breather, and we're going to continue. We're being fueled by hardcore grandma candies.
Baby,
Alright, we are 30 miles in, and I think I'm gonna go get some lunch. That's the genius of this track here. It's right here in this park and right by a grocery store. Lunch is easy. Required lunch. We have some sour cream and onion chips, a yellow tag sandwich, an apple, and a bottle of water. You can't beat that. Ready to go. Pick up right where we left off at the 30-mile mark. Pulled up to a stop here at the bench, a resupply bench, as you see. Got the juice, the water, anything else we might need. 40 miles, and yeah, 50 is a good goal. I got 10 more in me. Yeah, I can do that. That's it. 50 miles. I think we could go more, honestly, but it's a good stopping point. I feel pretty good.